We are revising present tense today. With present, we will make voice of present also. Firstly, there is present indefinite rule. Each and everybody know the rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Present indefinite simple sentence subject first form of verb SES object. We write SES with first form when our subject is third person singular. Yes, third person singular में कौन कौन से आते हैं?
I, they, you, we.
Yes, third person. He, she, it, any name. We write SCS with first form when our subject is third person singular. And we write only first form of verb with I, we, you, they. That means when our subject is I or more than one. Okay? You are familiar with subject first form of verb SCS object. Subject do not, does not, first form object, do does subject, first form object, do does subject, not first form object. Clear? Then we come to present continuous. Rule of simple sentences of present continuous is subject, then ismr, then first form of verb, then ing, then object. Is it okay? Then negative subject is not, am not, are not, first form of verb, ing, object. Then interrogative ismr, subject, first form, ing, object, then sign of interrogation. Then we come to interrogative. In interrogative, starting में is, am, are, is or am or are. Then subject, then first form of verb, then पक्का मैं जो बोल रही हूँ, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
After subject we will write not. Ismr, subject, not, first form, ing, object. Question mark. यही होता है. Then we come to present perfect. Rule of simple sentences will be subject, has, have, third form of verb, object. Negative subject, has not, have not, third form of verb, object. Interrogative, yes, have, subject, third form, yes, third form of verb, object. Interrogative, hasn't, haven't, subject, third form, object. Then we come to present perfect continuous. Yes, you were asking me about present perfect continuous. Listen to me carefully. Yes, present perfect continuous. If I ask you in Hindi, पहचान अगर मैं आपको कहती हूँ से रहा है, से रहे हैं, से रही है. Okay, there is use of since and for in present perfect continuous. जैसे since is used for, with what we use since?
At exact time.
For exact time. That means definite time. For definite time we use, definite time के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Since. And for indefinite time we use for. We use since for point of time. We use for with period of time. Okay? एक साइड में कह रही हूँ I have been doing my work since morning. This is definite time. I have been doing my work for 2 hours. ठीक है? This will be called period of time. तो rule will be subject plus simple का rule क्या होगा? Subject, has been, have been, then first form of verb, then ing, then object, since or for plus time. ठीक है? जैसे मैं कह रही हूँ धोबी सुबह से कपड़े धो रहा है. दूसरी तरफ मैं कह रही हूँ धोबी 2 घंटों से कपड़े धो रहा है. क्या होगा? Washerman has been washing clothes since morning. Okay? और दूसरी तरफ Washerman has been washing clothes for 2 hours. ठीक है? अब मैं कह रही हूँ कि मैं 2020 से 2020 से इस स्कूल में पढ़ रही हूँ. ठीक है? मैंने आपको पर्टिकुलर टाइम दे दिया है ना? ठीक है? उसका नाम दे दिया कि मैं इतने इस साल से मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, तो आई विल राइट सिंस. और मैं कह रही हूँ दूसरी तरफ कि मैं कई वर्षों से इस स्कूल में पढ़ रही हूँ, तो 2020 के साथ विद 2020 आई विल राइट सिंस. आई हैव बीन स्टडीइंग इन KVS सिंस 2020. Okay? I have been studying in modern convent school for 2 years. Okay? For 4 years, for 5 years, for several years. Okay? देन वी कम टू रूल. क्लियर हो गया. सब्जेक्ट हैज बीन, हैव बीन, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आईएनजी, ऑब्जेक्ट सिंस फॉर टाइम. नेगेटिव सब्जेक्ट has not, have not been, has not been or have not been, then first form, then ing, then object, then since or for, then time. Okay. I have not been playing cricket for 2 hours. I have not been playing cricket since morning, since evening. Okay. ठीक है. एक तरफ आपका है कि मैं कई महीनों से जैसे अपने आप को मतलब कोई पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम के लिए तैयार कर रही हूँ. ठीक है. आई हैव बीन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नीट एग्जाम फॉर सेवरल मंथ्स. आई हैव बीन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नीट एग्जाम सिंस मार्च. ठीक है. पर्टिकुलर मंथ का नाम गिवन है, वी विल राइट सिंस. और कई महीनों से तो क्या लिखेंगे फॉर. और पर्टिकुलर वीक का नेम, वीक का डेज का नेम गिवन है. आई हैव बीन वॉचिंग क्रिकेट मैच सिंस मंडे. ओके. आई हैव बीन वॉचिंग क्रिकेट मैच फॉर 2 days. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes. All this is about tenses.